What's good? What's popping? It's your bitch. Welcome to a new vlog. I'm getting so tired of vlogmas, y'all. No cap. Because every day I gotta introduce a vlog, and it's just like, girl, I don't feel like it. Okay, like we need to just put this together. But it is a new day. It is the day after. I don't know what today is. Oh, December 11th. Today is December 11th. This is the other day after we went out last night. Y'all, I'm just in such a good spirits. I'm just in such a good spirits. I just got a notification from Instagram that like 5 people like my reel, and I just posted it. I'm trying out new hashtags that, so I just posted a reel. It was really nothing. I made an Instagram story. I just made it a reel. I'm trying to see if these hashtags gonna work. So that's that. But they seem to be working so far. I guess I literally just posted something. I got 5 likes. So yeah, I think they're working. So anywho, I took a lot of pictures on my camera yesterday. A lot of pictures, and I just merged them onto my phone, so I'm gonna just go through them and edit them. I think I got some good pictures from last night. We're really not doing nothing today, but I want to take more pictures today. So we promised Neriah we'll go to Lake Eola today, so yeah, we might just do that. Yeah, we might just do that. So yeah, you guys, that's kind of the start of this vlog. I'm just in such good spirits. Everything is just, today's a good day. Today's a good day. I'm tired. Me and him was both on the toilet last night, girl. It's like, I feel like anytime we eat after 10 o'clock, our stomachs are hurting the next day. We getting old, y'all. We getting old. But yeah, that TJ Friday is fucked us up. And I think it was just the fact that we ate too late. We didn't get home till like 1. Hey vlog, what's good? What's popping? A lot of different scenery. It's about 3 o'clock. Yeah, it's about 3 o'clock right now. And we are headed to, well, we're at Walmart. Neriah is about to go, child. She has a birthday party to attend. So we're buying her cousin a gift and finding her address, and yeah, Miss Neriah will be on her way. So yeah, we're just here finding her a gift, and then mama gonna enjoy herself, okay? I'm finna go shopping somewhere. I'm finna go walking around, finna do something, okay? I do wanna go to Forever 21 to get some glasses. I want some shades. Come on, baby, you gotta pick out a toy for your cousin, okay? Come on now. Hey vlog, what's good? What's poppin'? It is later on. So Neriah is now gone. We are now alone pretty much. We're finna clean out this car because it looks disgusting. And then I don't know, girl, I don't know what we're finna get into. We're finna get into something. We're trying to go thrifting today, but it's almost 5 o'clock. I mean, I'm sure that I could still go to a few places, but yeah, I had to like do Neriah hair. I was cleaning up earlier. I had like one hell of a day. We didn't really get out the house till like just about like an hour ago. It's 3 o'clock. So yeah, you guys, I might go somewhere and have a drink. I don't know, girl. I don't know. I'm just feeling the vibe. I'm so in love with my makeup. Just yeah, feeling cute. welcome to a new vlog. It is Sunday. It's like 1:30. I just got done posting a video. It took forever to get it uploaded. I don't know why it took so long, but it took so long. But I finally got my vlog uploaded, and I'm getting ready to watch Power. Y'all, I love Power. Don't sleep on Power. It's so good. Yeah, we're getting ready to watch the new episode. I've been hearing so much shit on Twitter about Power, like this new episode, so that's the vibe. Nevaeh's still gone, so the house is very quiet and dead. We were kind of bored yesterday, but I want to get some pictures in today, so oh, excuse me, oh my god. But yes, I do want to go ahead and get some pictures in today, so I'm gonna get myself together after I watch Power, because okay, just do that one. Damn, Stars want $8.99 a month because we're trying to watch it offline, but it's a 7-day free trial, so hopefully we can still watch it without can you do that?
It probably don't work.
Well, okay. I mean, if it is what it is, because I'll pay $8 a month because I have to watch Power. Power is so good, and if you have not watched it, please take the time out to waste a couple of your days and watch Power, because it's very good. I'm just like, as long as I've been watching Power, I don't understand how this is still going on. There is just so much stuff that people should have been caught for. They're not being caught for. There's more people just dying. You guys, Power is so good. Hey vlog, what's good? What's popping? It's a little bit later, obviously. I was watching Power. Power is so good, girl. Girl, why is Zeke that man's son and that baby Monet's son? Like, that was supposed to be her nephew. Y'all, Power is, y'all gotta watch that. Y'all gotta watch it. But I just got done with Power like an hour ago. I took a shower and then I'm just like sitting here looking like ugly as fuck. I am so tired. I honestly don't want to do shit today. We was gonna go take pictures, but I'm like, I'm not in the mood no more. I'm not doing nothing, okay? I really honestly wouldn't even be vlogging today. But a girl is trying, okay? A girl is trying, okay? I bought some more wine. Now, I haven't did a little wine situation here in a moment, but because it's been a while since I drank wine. It's probably been like 3 weeks since I've had some wine. But I just bought this one, the strawberry flavor. It's good, and I like it. Like, it works. It does work. So, yeah, try that out. What was I gonna say? We're probably not gonna do nothing. I might clean up this kitchen a little bit, and he's gonna cook. I'm debating if we got to get on the road. It's 3:30 right now. We're trying to figure out if we have to go pick up Miss Nevaeh, because if so, then that means we got to get on the road, which is like, oh god, I really don't want to fucking do anything today. I don't want to do nothing. I really I don't want to go get her. Well, at least not that I don't want to get her, but I don't want to be on the road. I look crazy. So, yeah, y'all, that is a vibe. I don't know, but I'll let y'all know what I do in a minute, because if I don't go nowhere, I'm gonna drink me some wine. If I do go somewhere, I ain't gonna start drinking. So I guess we'll see y'all a little bit later. Oh my god, my mom bought these, and I am like eating these like crack. I don't know, these chocolate balls. Oh my god, like, I don't know where she got these from, but they are very good. Let me put my other light on. It's only 3 o'clock, but it's kind of gloomy outside. It looks like it's dark. like a little bit dark outside when it's really not. So yeah, that's about. I need to do dishes. I'm gonna do them later. I'm tired, y'all. I don't want to do a fuck thing today. And then I edited my vlog and posted it, so I feel so proud about that. But I need to be doing more editing, and I'm like, girl, I ain't doing that shit. I'm tired. I'm tired.